Welcome to this lesson on clear instructions. In this part of the course, we will look at how precise wording shapes the quality of every AI response. Even small changes in your phrasing can improve accuracy, structure, and consistency. Why clear instructions matter? AI models don't read between the lines the way people do. They respond to direction, not assumptions. If the task is vague, the model will either guess or give you something broad and generic. But when the instruction is specific, the output becomes more focused and reliable. So, clear prompts give you the best chance of getting exactly what you want. A simple action verb can change everything. Words like explain, summarize, rewrite, compare, analyze, or list tell the model exactly what to do. Without an action verb, the model has to decide the task on its own. With one, the task becomes sharply defined. So this is one of the easiest ways to strengthen a prompt. What makes a prompt weak? Some prompts are weak simply because they leave too much room for interpretation. When you start with discuss, talk about, or tell me something about, the model doesn't know the format, the language, the tone, or the purpose. Therefore, the result is usually broad, unfocused, and sometimes superficial. Therefore, how to remove vagueness? To strengthen a vague prompt, add constraints. Tell the model the audience you are speaking to. Specify the format you want, maybe bullet points, a short paragraph, or a step-by-step explanation. Add a word limit or mention the tone you prefer. Even one of these elements makes the prompt clearer. When you combine a few of them, the quality improves dramatically. Now let's look at an example of how a weak prompt can be improved. Here is an example of a weak prompt. Make content about productivity tools. This is very general. The model doesn't know what format to use, who the audience is, or what the goal should be. The output could end up being broad, generic, or unusable. A stronger version would be draft a LinkedIn post highlighting the top 3 productivity tools for remote teams in 2026, including a call to action encouraging commenters and shares. This strong prompt clearly specifies the action, draft a LinkedIn post, the topic, top 3 productivity tools, the audience, remote teams, constraints limit to 3 tools, include a call to action, context or time frame 2026. By defining the task this way, the model can generate content that is immediately practical, structured, and ready to post. The key takeaway is simple. The more specific and structured your prompt, the better and more useful the output will be. A clear instruction usually follows a simple structure. Just start with an action verb, add the topic, include any constraints such as language, tone, or format, then mention the goal or audience. When these pieces are in place, the model can respond with precision rather than guesses. Here are a few guiding principles. Be clear about what you want the model to do. Use constraints early in the prompt. Be specific where it matters. And treat the prompt like a small project, brief rather than just a question. These habits will help you produce high quality outputs consistently. Now it is your turn to try. Take each weak prompt on the list below and rewrite it into a stronger, more precise instruction. As you work through them, think about the purpose, the constraints, the audience, and the goal. You'll see how quickly the quality improves when the instruction becomes clearer. To summarize, remember that clear instructions are the foundation of strong prompts. Action verbs guide the model, constraints focus the output, and precise wording leads to better, more consistent results. Therefore, use these ideas as you build your own prompts throughout the course. In the next lecture, we will learn how to structure prompts for complex tasks to get more accurate and effective results.